Good morning. I'm Veeran Nandini, and I'm going to this is my final year project. So the project name is Mailnexa, Next Generation AI Email Intelligence System. And this is my teammate name, Kashi R. And we have done this project under the guidance of our mentor name in the Department of CSE. So we'll move on to the agenda section. It will contain introduction, statements, purpose, methodology, results, project plan conclusion, differences, etc. Then in the introduction part, we'll see about basic details of the project. Email has become a primary mode of communication for academic, professional, and personal purposes. However, modern users receive a large number of emails daily, making it difficult to identify important and time-sensitive messages efficiently. Most exciting email systems focus on basic categorization and keyword-based filtering, which limits their effectiveness in managing complex and urgent communications. And statement of the problem will be this: a traditional email system rely on basic rule-based filtering and a fixed categorization, which do not effectively understand the context, urgency, or importance of email context. As a result, critical emails such as deadlines, security alerts, academic notifications, and transactional updates are often overlooked among promotional and priority messages. The purpose of the project will be this: an intelligent AI-driven email system that automatically analyzes, classifies, and prioritizes emails based on content, urgency, relevance. LLM-based natural language processing and ML techniques to identify time-bound action, email reminder, transaction message, security alerts, academic communications. The methodology will be email data collection using Gmail API, data pre-processing, LLM-based NLP analysis, web application development using JavaScript for Chrome extension, email classification priority assignment, Chrome extension development, integration and testing, deployment and maintenance. So this is the system architecture for our project. Data set moving on to saving rules, saving with alert system, pre-processing, sorting, categorization, etc. Okay. Then the entity diagram explanation will be this. Entity relationship diagram for the project will be this. ML model frame, pre-processing, email classification, scam, jobs, promotions, purchase stuff. So these are the classifications we have included. Moreover, we have included more classifications like NPD examination, interview calls, etc. Mm, for our project, user reviews an email and user when click on the Chrome extension, load emails, it will categorize the inbox emails and shows the priority state for the email for the last 24 hours. Use case diagram will be this class diagram and a sequence diagram. We'll move on to the next section, expected results and implications. What can be accomplished? Improved email productivity through intelligent classification and prioritization of important and time-sensitive emails. Early identification of critical emails such as deadlines, reminders, security alerts, and academic college-related communications using LLM-driven NLP techniques. Reduced information overload by separating promotional low priority and newsletter emails from essential communications. This will be the literature review reference paper one for our project. And we'll do the advantages, drawbacks, and features scope for that project. Mm, um, Paper two, English priority aware email using ML and financial language processing. What are the drawbacks and pros and cons for this? Feature scope also. And paper three will be this. The paper title of context aware email analysis using temporal sender based features. Then advantages, drawbacks, and features for languages. Summary of literature review. Yeah, literature review. And then there will be another literature survey. And summary of this review. After results. We'll move on to functional requirements. User authentication, email access retrieval, email preprocessing, LLM-based email classification, priority assignment, Chrome extension interface, search filtering. And the functional requirements, non-functional information leaders, performance and response time, accuracy and reliability, security and privacy, scalability. MTG equals to interface. This is a project plan. Project character and project characterizations will be done by me. And the scope and the goal setting will be done by teammate name Kashia. Literature review, grant appreciation will be done by Shinjeti. And all this we are given conclusion. This project doesn't mail like an intelligent AI system with email handling by incorporating LLM-based natural language understanding and priority over classification references. These are the references that we have to our project from the Google Scholar. Yeah, and we will move on to the implementation process for our project. Yeah, this is the project folder. The folder of backend extension ML. Backend folder consists of init.py, authons.py, classifier.py. These are the classifications we have been used with the help of our code to, to separate the emails based on the keywords. This is credentials.json with a Gmail underscore reader.py file. It, uh, it fetches the data from the Gmail using API. And from collections encounter counter from fast API, import fast API. From fast API middleware course important. And this will be the ML classified.py data, which classifies the email based on the keywords. Yeah, the laser pipeline for our project. This is the most important file, token.json. Every time when I run the auth1.py folder, it will be created. And then the extension, here is the manifest.json, the HTML for the interface of extension, and it is popup.js. Minimal parts, train model.py, training data.csv. Yeah, we will see about the project results. See, these are the mails that I have received in last 24 hours. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 18. And when I open my extension, click load emails. Yeah, and the results. From the jobs categorization, it will show two mm, images, two males, two, three, no, one, two, three males under this category. And including platforms like lead code, and the and all mails will be considered under this with plenty of medium. These are under job needs now, so it will comes under APR with medium. So the normal will be this something like cloud tech, it is offline, like yeah, these are the ones what I refer in last 25 years. With the ARPs. So this is the this is the result I am for my project. And hardware and software demonstrations. Basically, what I have used in this project is for Gmail authentication, I have used Google Wall 2.0, 2.0, which generates token like JSON. After the authentication is fully automatic, and email fetching will be used. The backend is Gmail API, which which will be allowed only for read only purpose. These are the keywords I have used in the class where I file and something is written using this. The YAML usage on this product will be logistic regression and TF-IDF result. Now, the usage of logistic regression in this project will be it classifies the mails based on the keywords like immediate, urgent. On that, it will create a highest PRP score for our project. It will generally predicts the PRP score for that mail. That's it. Thank you.